What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a wire transfer in Cash App in just a few quick easy steps. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Cash App account, and then we'll tap the bottom left where the money is. Next, we'll scroll down until we see Get a Bank or Wire Transfer. You're going to scroll down to Wire Transfer. Wire transfer received in a few hours or up to 1 business day. Important, the wire must be sent from a U.S. bank account. Wire must include your legal name in the recipient field. Wire must include wire to Cash App in the memo field. Limits are $10,000 per day, 2 wires per day, and 4 wires per 30 days. If you want a little more information, you can tap on How to Make a Transfer. And you'll want to take note of your account and routing numbers here. This is different from your Cash App routing and account number. You'll need to provide these numbers to your external bank to make your transfer. How to make a wire transfer received in a few hours or up to 1 business day. Your bank may charge a fee ranging from $15 to $15 per transfer. Wire transfers can only be sent to Cash App accounts. Do not send wire transfers from Cash App accounts. First step, you'll go to the transfer section of the bank's website. Select wire as the transfer method. You'll use your routing and account numbers to make the transfer. Your routing and account numbers should appear here. If it's your first transfer to this Cash App account, your external bank may ask you to first set up an account or recipient profile. If asked, select the following options: personal, checking, and only transfers to. Step 3, your money will be available in your Cash App balance. You will get an email once the transfer is complete. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you make a wire transfer on Cash App quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.